These pink flowers are called naked ladies or surprise lilies. The reason they are called surprise lilies, in the spring, green comes up like daffodils, dies back, disappears, and then in the first week of August, last week of July, these flowers start popping out of the ground. Next thing you know, they have flowers on them. That's why we call them surprise lilies. The other day, I came down here and counted just how many there were. My count was 731. Janice says, "You know what? 731? That's my birthday. I call these my birthday flowers." Several years ago, we started out with half a dozen or so bulbs were given to us. They multiply very quickly. As I walk down the steps, we have many more of them down here. I'm going to take another count today because it looks like there are many, many more. My previous high was approximately 500. That was a couple of years ago. And now, like I said, we had over 700. And they last roughly 2 weeks with this bloom. Their stems are very, very fragile. The other day we had rain, and the weight of the water on the flower itself bent over a lot of those flowers. If an animal comes by and touches them, they break. That's how fragile they are. And you can see that there is one down here that did break. This section of our garden we call the pet cemetery. Most of our cats love to come back here. So this is their final resting place. I gave a recount for today. It's very, very difficult to get an exact count. I came up with roughly 775. That's a long way from the original half dozen or so that we got, oh, maybe 20 years ago.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.